retouch na po.
Ayun ang importante dahil ika nga ni Stacy kanina, may glam team. My glam team today. Okay, let's start with our Q&A. We begin our segment with a question from Claire of Capex. Sabi ni Claire, for you, what is Kapamilya and how does it feel to be part of Kapamilya? Let's ask Joanna, our leader. What is Kapamilya?
Yes, ang sarap na pakinggan ng kapamilya. For Beanie, being a kapamilya, it's not just about being part of a company, ABS-CBN. It's about being part of a family na binavalue yung love, yung support, and unity. And from the word kapamilya itself, pamilya, that's how it feels every day. And hindi lang to between us and the management. Sa lahat, marshals namin, safety officers, utility, sound engineers. Alam mo yung ramdam mo na hindi lang trabaho yun para sa kanila. Kung paano nila kami alagaan, pakisamahan, alam mo may pagmamahalan. Siguro kaya din grabe yung pagmamahal na nabibigay namin sa craft namin, sa supporters namin. Kasi punong-puno na kami ng pagmamahal dito pa lang sa home namin sa ABS-CBN. So to answer your question po, ano yung kapamilya sa amin? Kapamilya is Beanie and ABS-CBN po.
Thank you, Master Jo. Maraming salamat.